In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone on Facebook Messenger step by step. And I'll also point out an important limitation so you don't waste time looking for a setting that isn't there. If you use Messenger a lot, this is a useful way to adjust how notifications behave and make sure your app is set up the way you want. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Facebook Messenger and go to the messenger icon in the top right corner. This is where you can access your chats and your notification related options. Next, open any chat thread. It can be a recent conversation or any message thread you already have open. Once you're inside the chat, look for the small information icon, usually shown as an eye in a circle, and click that. This opens the chat details and settings menu for that conversation. From here, look for mute notifications or notification settings. Depending on your version of Messenger and the device you're using, the wording may be slightly different, but it should be in that same area. This is where you can manage how notifications work for that chat. Now, here's the important part. Changing the ringtone is not available on Windows when using Messenger in the browser. So if you're trying to do this on a Windows computer through the web version, you won't see a separate ringtone option. That means this setting is limited, and in many cases, Messenger only lets you adjust notification behavior rather than choose a completely custom ringtone. If you're on a supported mobile device, the notification settings you see may connect to your phone's overall alert sound settings instead of offering a Messenger-only ringtone choice. So if you want a different sound, you may need to check your device notification settings as well. The main takeaway is that you should start inside Messenger by opening a chat, tapping the info icon, and going into mute or notification settings. If the ringtone option isn't showing up, that's not necessarily a mistake on your part. It may just be a platform limitation. Once you've checked the available settings, you can close the menu and continue using Messenger normally. And that's it. You now know where to look to change Messenger notification behavior and why the ringtone option may not appear on Windows browser. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.